Hi students, welcome. So now how to construct a hypocycloid. Clear. So our question is construct the path traced by a point on a circular disc of radius 40 mm rolls inside a circular path of radius 120 mm. In last problem we are discussing about a epicycloid. The values are given in diameter, but in this problem for change they given in terms of radius. Okay, so construct the path traced by a point on a circular disc of radius 40 mm rolls inside. So in this problem, inside. So in, therefore it is hypocycloid. So how to construct a hypocycloid? Similar procedure to epicycloid. First you draw one inclined line, that is axis format. Select one point, that is O. So here how much radius they given? Circular path of radius 120 mm. So take 120 mm as the radius, because in this problem clearly they given in terms of radius. So you draw radius 120 mm. Clear? That's one. Now the rolling wheel rolls inside. Therefore you take another wheel size how much? Circular disc of radius 40 mm. So therefore this is intersection point of rolling wheel and directing wheel, that is point P. That rolling wheel size is 40 mm radius. Therefore take from P towards in1. So 40 mm radius. So this is 40 mm. Clear? This. So this one I am considered as O1. So O1 to P, it is 40. It is the radius. You draw one circle. Clear? This 40 mm radius. So 40 mm radius means dia 80. We know that. Clear? Right. And next, then that's a rolling wheel. You divide it into n equal parts. We know that. How to divide the circle into n equal parts. So this is point P. Next one is, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? So in generally the cycloid and epicycloid, the direction of rotation is not given, means let us consider it is a clockwise rotation. But now in hypocycloid, let us consider this rotates anti-clockwise rotation like this. Clear? Right. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 in this format. After that you determine that theta value. How much theta? Formula is r by r into 360. In this problem the radius of rolling wheel is they given 40 mm and the radius of directing wheel is they given 120 mm. So 40 by 120 into 60. So this one is 3 times. So angle is 120 degree. Clear? Cancel like this. So now check protractor O as a center. So 120, 0, 10, 20, 30 like this. 120 here, 120. Clear? So this angle is 120 degree. We get as per the given values, 120 degree. After that O as a center, O to P as the radius, already initially the curve is there. Then O to 1 as the radius, it is nothing but 7. O7. You draw the concentric curve. Then O to 6 as the radius, it's passing through number 2. Next O to 5 as the radius, you draw one arc that is passing through number 3. Next O to 4 as the radius. Clear? This one like this. Now here the center also is there. So O2 O1 as the radius. You draw one arc. It is center point. So therefore center line curve dot curve like for this format. So now the circle divided into 8 equal parts. It is the division is our wish. So how many equal parts we are divided? Same number of equal parts. This angle also, this 120 degree also, by using divide an angle into 2 power n equal parts. So this is by 2. This portion also furtherly by 2 by 2. Clear. So now this one is center 1, center 2, center 3, center 4, center 5, center 6, 7 and 8, last one. As well, same procedure. C1 as the center, take 40 mm as the radius, because in this problem 40 mm radius of rolling will be given. So C1 as the center, intersect arc contact number 1. So here the 7 1 curve, no? So this one, number 1. Next C2 as the center, intersect arc contact 6 2, this one. Next C3 as the center, intersect arc contact 5 3 curve, like this. Next C4, fourth one. C5, C6, sixth one. C7, seventh one. C8, this one. Clear? So now while it rotates, okay, the points let us consider. Okay, the marking points like this. So you join all the intersection points, we get the curve is like this. Clear? So just you mark it. This is P1. Actually, this is P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. So now the curve comes like this. Clear? This one. So this one is hypocycloid curve. How to draw tangent and normal means, in this problem you select one point on the curve M, because in this problem where you want to mention the specifically the dimensions they are not given, so therefore you select any one point M. Then how much diameter of the rolling wheel size means 40, so take 40 as the radius, M as the center, intersect arc on that center line, because it's just like it is a reverse procedures. Okay, you assign that letter yes. Clear? Then you join O and S and it's extended up to that directing radius, because directing wheel size is 120 radius. Let us consider the point is N. Now the point N and M, you join it and little bit extend it. So now this is normal N dash. Clear? Then we know that the tangent and normal both are perpendicular. Therefore, you draw one perpendicular line of N dash passing through M, that is T dash. It is norm tangent. Clear? Thank you.